he makes the others better in the forward line. And it was impressive to see, obviously,
the growing confidence, you know, the standout performance.
Big semi-final day in Manchester, and Manchester is getting ready for this huddle, leading his team. That's what they need from him this evening if they're to turn this...
Be in the final. Do you want to go against that?
Oh, so you want to bet on it?
Since I asked the question, have you? Mikey, you were grinning the whole time, though. You've our very own Peter Jory and Jim Beglin. Enjoy the first half. We're going to see you again.
Close. Only one of Manchester City and Paris Saint-Germain will fly. Actually, the only two of these outfield 10 who were asked to break sweat at all. Kylian Mbappe is deemed fit only for the bench, and Mauro Icardi plays. He is, though, in... Clear daylight for Pep. They're closing in. City are closing in.
Well, I've said it about Edison so many times in the past during Premier League matches. He's one of the best passers.
To unleash Mbappe will be huge. Meantime, here's Neymar. Di Maria. In by Diallo in advance of Icardi.
Yeah, I think if you just look at...
Here's Neymar. This time he has got his free kick, and it is in position A1. Neymar, it's picked up off the top of that wall, and it's the PSG corner.
Gundogan was the...
Verratti under attack from Fernandinho, who's penal. Gundogan. De Bruyne, ambitious, and he can. Yeah, well, it's a good ball for Florenzi. In by Florenzi, allowed to roll, acknowledge the foul, but let PSG play on. Diallo's cross, Stone's space. Marquinhos. Diallo followed up. It's Abdou Diallo. It's Ander Herrera. It's a fair old try.
Yeah, it's a good hit on his...
It's at the back of the queue. In by De Bruyne. Kimpembe. Foul by Bernardo Silva, and another squaring up. Driving back Diallo, Morris across goal, beaten out by the goalkeeper to Bernardo Silva!
Mbappe, and whether they have the belief to get this done, because they're going to need...
Came out to Riyad Mahrez, in towards... on aggregate. The ambition of this club, the aspiration of this club, that drove back Walker. Fed it for Angel Di Maria. Snatched out by Florenzi. Kevin De Bruyne. And failed to score on both occasions. And to score twice tonight in half a game. Mahrez has gone over. Diallo. Verratti forced wide. Walker's got to meet him.
To close it through. Flag stays down. Phil Foden's in for Manchester City. Massive save by Navas, and then the flag is raised. I must say, my initial thought was he looked like...
In terms of counter-attacks, it doesn't get any better than this. Phil Foden involved hugely in it. Once he fed it, he was just looking for... This guy is showing maturity way beyond his age.
Di Maria and Fernandinho were close to coming to blows. There's a card out, it's a red one. Angel Di Maria is dismissed. And the Parisian campaign with a further flurry. And assuming Manchester City keep their heads, De Bruyne's gone flying over the second half, and still there's nothing between them. Sensi.